Why does my YouTube TV show streaming limit reached? In this video, I'll explain why YouTube TV shows streaming limit reached.
So to get started, YouTube TV allows 3 simultaneous streams per household. That means if 3 devices are already watching live or recorded content at the same time, any new device trying to stream will see this error. To fix it, you can stop playback on one of other devices, smart TVs, phones, tablets, or browsers. Even paused videos or minimized apps may count, so make sure they're fully closed. If you share your account with family or roommates, consider asking who's watching and when. It's also good to know which devices are logged in. Use your Google account to check and manage connected devices. Upgrading to the 4K Plus add on can increase stream limits, especially for home networks. And that's why YouTube TV shows streaming limit reached.